One thing that's always bugged me about RVs in general is why is there not a valve here at the end, kind of like a little safety valve, to keep the wastewater, gray water or whatever, from coming out past it. And what I bought this little chintzy thing. They didn't have any just blades because I was going to cut it in and install it permanently. They didn't have any back in Texas when we were looking at it, so I bought this thing. I know a lot of people love it and use it, but you go to unscrew the cap and the whole thing will come off. So it defeats its whole purpose. So I'm going to take, the reason I did go ahead and buy this, it's overpriced, but you can take and unbolt it and bolt it onto the flange that was there, so it'll be the same as if I built the whole kit. It's a more expensive way to do it, but that's why I'm going to do it, just so that way we don't have this thing on here, because it's pointless if I can't take the cap off. So I'm going to glue on a fitting, and this will bolt onto that fitting, and we will be done with this screw off thing, which I see its purpose. It could be used, you could fight it and hold it, but it's just easier to glue it on, so that's what I'm going to do. So the rest of them here is just same as household plumbing, a little primer, a little glue, glue it on, and then I'll bolt the system on. There we go. Whew. Put it on as far as it'll go, and give it a turn. It's up straight. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry a few minutes and then I'll bolt on the other piece. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I used the Valterra screw-on valve. I bought it. It didn't really work for our application. I know a bunch of people use them and love them, but it still works to be able to just buy the $4 thing in addition to it and bolt it on when they don't have 3-inch valve blades. So if I have any issues with this, I'll update and let you know. But looks like we fine. And if you like these how-to videos, let me know, because we never really do how-to videos. If you really like them, I mean, we do a lot of different things to the RV. I'm going to do a video on our battery bank and inverter install, and then eventually solar. We're not doing that right away, but yeah. So basically, all it was buying the valve. I got the twist on one. Normally, you could just buy a different one that bolts together. Make sure you have all your seals in the right spot. But yeah, you just cut off the pipe, glue on a new one, bolt it on, and you're good to go. There's really not anything to this. It was surprising that there was no videos I found that was really tells you how to do it. But yeah, so there's nothing to it, and we will see you on the next repair.